everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to use some of that pumpkin pizza sauce and we're going to make this amazing skillet harvest pizza. I think you're just going to fall in love with this. There are so many rich fall flavors in here. I can't wait to share with you how this all comes together. Today we're going to be making a harvest style pizza and we're going to be using our pumpkin pizza sauce that we made in a previous video. You guys, this stuff is amazing and we ate it on top of some spaghetti squash with some mozzarella cheese melted on top for lunch the other day when we made the sauce, and it was just incredible. Super delicious and flavorful, and we thought we were going to make a really amazing harvest style pizza that's perfect for fall, and we're going to use this pumpkin pizza sauce as our base. I have some chicken tenders that I pan seared and cut up. I have some sauteed mushrooms that I just did today, some roasted red pepper strips that I did from scratch, and I made a video on how you can do that. I'll leave a link down below. I did some caramelized onions. I also have a video on how I do this. I did some bacon in the oven. Again, I also have a video on how I do that, and on my pizza dough. I have 1 pound of my pizza dough right here, and we're going to cheese this up with a little Italian blend and some ricotta. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to make this as a skillet pizza. So I have my skillet heating on the stove, and we're going to roll out the dough and bring over the skillet and get everything put together. All right, I went ahead and I rolled out my dough. I patted my dough out by hand to fit inside my skillet, which I had heating up on the stove, and I had just over medium-high heat, and after the skillet was ready to go and hot enough, I went ahead, I just brushed the bottom of the skillet with a little olive oil. Now I'm going to add some of our pumpkin pizza sauce. You don't want it to be too wet, remember that. And then we're going to go ahead and hit this with a little bit of cheese just to set our base. You can use whatever kind of cheese you like. Cheddar might be really good here. I think smoked Gouda would be incredible here. I have some of these chicken tenders that I cooked up. I just pan seared those. Some mushrooms that I sauteed just with a little garlic and butter. Some caramelized onions. Some red pepper strips. And these are just in some olive oil. The secret to a good pizza is not to put too much of any one thing. And I'm just gonna top this off with a little sprinkle bacon. Then we'll hit this again with a light sprinkle of Italian blend cheese. This is mozzarella, Asiago, pecorino, and provolone. Have you guys ever put ricotta cheese on a pizza? It adds just a little bit of creaminess, and it's so lovely. Give it a try. Oh, this smells so good already. All right, I've been preheating my oven at 450 degrees. I'm going to pop this in on top of my pizza stone, and then we're going to bake this for about 12 to 15 minutes, and then we'll be back and we'll show you what it looks like. Our pizza is ready. It's been sitting out for about 5 minutes just to cool the pan because my oven's smoking hot. Now we're just going to take this pizza out of the pan and put it on the board. I wanted to cut it for you. I just want you to hear it's nice and crispy. I sprinkled it with a little bit of dried rosemary, and I drizzled it with a little bit of olive oil just to make it look pretty. So we're going to go ahead and cut this up. You can hear it, how beautiful and crunchy it is on the bottom. And that is the benefit you get from doing it in a skillet like that. Oh, so incredible. There you have it, all sliced up and ready to go, and I can't wait to taste this. Now, I do recommend that you let this cool down long enough that you're not going to burn your mouth. Right. You want to taste it?
I have to.
You have to.
I'll burn my mouth off.
Here we go. Oh, wow.
That is heaven.
You guys, oh man, that's incredible. You can leave off or add any ingredients that you so choose, but I'm telling you what, this combination is killer and perfect for the autumn.
It is amazing.
You guys, You gotta give that pumpkin pizza sauce a try. I would never steer you wrong. This stuff is really, really delicious. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my kitchen and you came on over to see what a harvest pizza was all about, welcome. It's a pleasure to have new friends join me. Please be sure and hit the subscribe button. And if you are a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, please be sure and hit the bell notification button, as well as set your homepage on YouTube to your subscription feed, because we don't want any of you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope, seriously and sincerely, that you give this harvest pizza a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.